Your cart currently isn't visible on the web page. To make it visible, start by adding an event listener to the cart btn variable. Listening for the click event, the callback does not need any parameters. Okay, so it seems we already have the cart btn variable. So all we have to do is that we call the variable here cart btn and interpolate the add event listener. Add event listener, excuse me, and then a parenthesis. It says to listening for the click event. So we have a click event here, and it should have a callback in here, which is achievable with the use of parentheses and an arrow pointing to the right and a curly braces. So if we check our code, it is indeed correct. So what it does is that if we ever so if we ever pardon my French, so if we ever um click the button card btn, it listen to a click that is an event, and if it is clicked, it should um execute this code of block in here. In our case, it would be empty for now. So that's basically it. Nice.